Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello and welcome to the 184th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host, RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Boscom South Asia explores pathways to digital ministry. Boscom South Asia honors media trailblazers. Principal, Vice Principal attend Higher Education Conference. DBTech Shillong marks 100 years. Salesian family holds retreat. Alumni gets solidarity project. Social media awareness held for neighborhood community. 3-day celebrations mark Saint Zati Fest. The news in detail. India Boscom South Asia explores pathways to digital ministry. Father Bastin Naliseri reports from Bangalore.
In the evolving communication landscape, the Boscom South Asia communication sector organized a 3-day conference cum general body meeting at the Salesian Provincial House, Bangalore. The conference, held from 17th to 19th November 2023, marking 30th year of its foundation, had 35 delegates from 11 provinces and commission members and lay collaborators. The Regional Councillor for South Asia, Father Biju Puliyanmakal, provincials of Bangalore and Chennai, addressed the gathering. In his keynote address, Registrar of Christ University, Bangalore, Dr. Anil Pindo, focused on digital literacy in early education to develop critical thinking, responsible media usage, online safety, empathy, and social responsibility. The 3-day conference had experts from the theatre of digital faith ministry, artificial intelligence, digital art merchandise ministry, online music ministry, and branding services. Boscom South Asia delegate Father Ernest Rosario and Bangalore Province delegate Father Dixon Eugene facilitated the meeting. As a constructive step towards digital integration, the Assembly proposed to collaborate with young people who are into digital ministry and formulate a resource kit for digital well-being for Salesians, teachers, and students.
Father Bastin Naliseri reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by saying. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil at churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. India Boscom South Asia honors media trailblazers. Raj Bishwakarma reports from Siliguri.
Marking 30th year of its foundation, Boscom General Body Assembly meeting held in Don Bosco Provincial House, Bangalore honored 2 Salesian media trailblazers, Father C.M. Paul and Father Michael Macri. Vice Principal of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, Father Paul was felicitated as the senior and trailblazer of Don Bosco Communications in India for his lifetime contribution to communications on 19th November 2023. South Asia Boscom Coordinator Father Ernest Rosario, on behalf of Boscom, felicitated Father C.M. Paul with a shawl and a crystal plaque. Father Paul's illustrious journey includes being the first non-Italian director of the Salesian News Agency in Rome, where he stayed for 3 years, 1992 to 1995, overseeing 20 bureaus worldwide. A visionary in media education, Father Paul is the founder and head of the Department of Journalism at Don Bosco University, Guwahati, and Salesian College, Sonada, leaving an enduring impact on journalism and mass communications. He is the founder director of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, Salesian TV on YouTube in Salesian College, Sonada in Siliguri, and producer of popular weekly shows Salesian News Asia Pacific, as well as Campus This Week. Bosco delegate from Mumbai, Father Brian Morris, felicitated Father Michael Macri for his contributions to the Salesian world of communication. Father Macri is the founder, director, and editor-in-chief of Don Bosco Media Network TV based in Shillong.
Raj Biswakarma reporting. India Principal, Vice Principal attend Higher Education Conference. Asta Tiwari reports from Siliguri.
Salesian College Principal Father Babu Joseph and Vice Principal of Sonada, Father Nirmal Topo, participated in the annual conference and general body meeting of the Don Bosco Higher Education India, held at National Biblical Catechetical Liturgical Center, Bangalore from 10th to 12th November 2023. There were 59 Salesians representing some 50 plus higher education institutions. The participants included directors, managers, principals, and vice principals. Topics discussed included fostering entrepreneurship and startup culture on campuses and educating our young to social responsibility. The general body meeting also discussed the new education policy, a roadmap for short-term and long-term action for Don Bosco Higher Education India, and the development of action plans to foster entrepreneurship and social responsibilities among students.
Asta Tiwari reporting. India DB Tech Shillong marks 100 years. Mona Lisa Rimbai reports from Shillong.
Don Bosco Technical School marked 100 years with 3 days of celebrations showcasing a rich legacy of technical education, character building and community service from the 9th to 11th of November 2023. The celebration started with an exhibition of various products prepared by the trainees of woodwork, general mechanics, bakery, fast food, cake specialized and desktop publishing. Second event was a reunion of past pupils highlighting their achievements. Third event was the cultural performance by current students through dance performances, musical presentations, speeches that depicted the school's journey and values. The fourth event was celebration of Holy Eucharist with Archbishop Victor Lindo of Shillong and 3 other bishops and priests and huge gathering of well-wishers. Fifth event was grand cultural evening with Apostolic Nuncio of India and Nepal, Archbishop Leopoldo Girelli, and guests of honor Dr. Ampri Lindo, Cabinet Minister, Government of Meghalaya, and Member of Parliament from Shillong, Mr. Vincent Pala.
Mona Lisa Rimbai reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Pakistan Salesian family holds retreat. Alumni gets solidarity project. Father Piero Ramello reports from Lahore.
On Saturday, 11th November 2023, for the first time, all groups of the Salesian family of Lahore, Salesians, past pupils, Atma and Salesian cooperators gathered for a day of recollection. After a meditation of the Strena 2023, participants dedicated time to personal reflection with the adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, followed by the Holy Mass and the Rosary with the boys of the boarding school. A shared meal followed in which each group of the Salesian family offered a dish which was enriched by a barbecue. During dinner, National President of the Past Pupils, Mr. Asif Daniel, announced the support of World Past Pupils Federation for Lahore Past Pupils to offer 22 scholarships for technical education of youth from Jaranwala, were following an alleged case of blasphemy on 16th August 2023. Many churches and Christian homes were looted and set on fire.
Father Piero Ramello reporting. Myanmar social media awareness held for neighborhood community. Brother Stephen Pau reports from Anisakan.
Social Communication and Salesian Family Commission jointly organized a seminar on social media awareness for neighborhood community at Don Bosco Provincial House, Anisakan. The event, held on 11th November 2023, had some 100 people from neighboring communities, including some religious and many lay people. During his talk, The delegate for social communications, Father Andrea Mong, stressed on digital safety as well as the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. At the end of the seminar, the participants came to know the dangers lurking behind the seemingly harmless and addictive media. Participants were also instructed in some practical guidelines for safe and responsible use of the internet.
Brother Stephen Powell reporting. Vietnam 3-day celebrations mark Saint Zati Fest. Father Augustine Do Phuoc reports.
Don Bosco Tân Hà community held a series of events to celebrate Saint Atibidis Zati, patron saint of the community, from 10 to 12 November 2023. For 1 month, Salesians and students encourage each other to make sacrifices and pray to Saint Zati with daily sermonette on Saint Zati life. The climax was the Holy Mass, which took place on the afternoon of Monday, November 13. Besides prayers for vocation of lay brothers in the province, prayers were also offered for the souls of the deceased lay brothers. On Sunday, the 12th of November, the performances honored Saint Zati with the theme Artemides Zati, I believe, I promised, and I was healed. The celebration of the feast of the patron saint of the community helped fathers, brothers, and especially students learn to know, understand, and love Saint Zati's life more.
Father Augustine Do Phuoc reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.